Want to break into high-paying IT roles? Be the engineer behind the cloud. Become an IT system engineer and cloud administrator. Your future starts now. The world runs on systems and cloud. Yet, most professionals struggle to get hands-on skills in real enterprise environments. You study theory, but when it's time to deploy, manage, troubleshoot, you're lost. That's where this course comes in. On Udemy, my IT system engineer and cloud system administrator course bridges the gap from zero to real world. You'll get step-by-step training on servers, virtualization, networking, cloud deployment, security, monitoring, automation and lot more. Here's what you'll gain. Proven end-to-end architecture skills. Build, deploy, manage. Hands-on labs in real scenarios you can replicate. Cloud tools and AMP. Platforms, AWS, Azure, etc. Not just theory. Troubleshooting, maintenance, and automation skills you can show on your resume. Lifetime access and updates, so you stay current. Don't take just my word for it. Students rate this course 4.8+ for its clarity and applicability. Many have used it to land cloud, sysadmin, DevOps roles within months. Ready to transform your IT career? Click the link now to enroll. And for a limited time, there's a special discount. Start your hands-on journey to become a cloud-savvy system engineer, from the comfort of your home. See you in class. Let's build your future in the cloud.